Hey, how's everyone doing? My name is Rush. I'm a member of the Star Wars Serious Hardcore RP server from TSG, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get into the server, how to download the collections pack, and a few basic commands once you get in. Okay, so let's get started. So, first things first, before you even attempt to join the server or launch your game, what you want to do is you want to download the collections for the server. So to do that, you just go click Gary's Mod in your Steam library, go down to where it says Browse the Workshop, click that, and then under where it says Browse, you'll see Collections, so click Collections. Then over here on the top right, it says Search Gary's Mod, and just type in there TSG space hardcore. Press enter, and it'll show up. Okay, so from here, all you really have to do is just click subscribe to all. When you click subscribe to all these will start to get checkboxed. And to make sure, if you just want to double check that you have everything subscribed, after clicking subscribe to all, just go down, scroll all the way through the collections, and make sure that everything is checked. So, once you do that, you are actually all set to get in the Gary's mod. Okay, so once you're in game, you will be on the main menu, and on the main menu, here down in the bottom middle, you will see this thing that says downloading, and it has all the collections and all the subscribed items will be downloading and extracting onto your computer. So go ahead and let Gary's mod do its thing when it comes to that, and let it get through its entire cycle before even attempting to join, attempting to do anything. Um, and this can take several minutes. And once you do that and you get through and you're all set, you can click around on the menu screen. Just go down to where it says Find Multiplayer Game. You just click that, and don't be alarmed if it takes a second. Okay, here we go. So under here, make sure you click Internet, and over here on the server list, you'll see Dark RP, Star Wars RP, all these different types of RP. Well, we're listed under Star Wars RP, so click Star Wars RP, and you're going to get a list like this. So to find our server, all you really have to do, at the top right where it says the search bar, where I have my mouse right now, you just type TSG, and you'll see we're the only thing listed, and you just go ahead and click Join Server, and you can join on the server. Okay. So when you spawn in, you'll see it looks like this, right? So as you can see, one of our recruiters is standing right there, patiently waiting for anyone who wants to join and connect. However, there are a lot of information that once you connect and join the server effectively, you have to look through. So read everything there. The recruiter will talk to you, and you can get started on training. So the basic command keys when on the server. Click Y to open up your chat menu. And once you've read everything, you can use out of character talk. So you just type /OOC and then type I need a trainer. Of course, I'm going to put test so that my trainers don't think it's anything important. So you type OOC, and that lets any of the trainers know that it works. So after that, you just have to wait for them to get through everything. They'll explain in detail a lot of the different command keys and how to work everything. However, the few quick ones that you should probably know before joining the server is you click Y again, you type /me, and this allows you to do actions. So in actions on this allow RP situations to get a little bit better. So you can type /me salutes, and it says Colonel Romulus salutes. And again, this allows the person who's RPing to more actively engage in their own character. So um, another quick thing is using your scroll wheel. So when you use your scroll wheel, that's how you change through all the different stuff that you may have. So in the case of a recruit, all you're going to have is a pocket and keys. But once you get to an actual trooper, you will be getting heavy blasters and rifles, etc. So, and when it comes to pulling out your weapon, you just hit Shift ER to lower or Shift ER to raise. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video on how to connect, download the content pack, and get into the server. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to join our subreddit and ask any questions there. Any of the staff will happily answer or assist you in any way they can. You guys have a great day. This has been Rush.